Alright, so part 2. Memory card got full from other stuff. Sorry about that. So we're gonna do a sound check from the rear. If you're just watching this now, this is the first video with the exhaust from the side. AMG resonator and cat only. Should be good. So those first couple of revs was at 1500 RPM. The next set was at 2000 and 2500. And then I jumped from 1500, 2000, 2500 up to 3000. And the last one that you heard was the 4000 revs. Kinda didn't want to push it any higher. You could hear that the exhaust was obviously rumbling and grumbling very loudly and very nicely. Fortunately, it's too loud for New York City streets and for my neighbors. So, muffler's coming on. Tune in for the next clip.